destination is on your left.
Yeah, I got much room. Oh, you gotta unplug that module. What? Probably heated seats, huh?
Back here, huh?
Yeah. Crazy.
See,
Crazy. Not out yet?
we might need your tool.
Oh, yeah.
This seems real dangerous now. Did it all. Oh, you broke it. No, it's supposed to do that, I swear. Okay. Put that on the table. Oh, it's already got fuel coming out. She is full.
You gotta squeeze that. You gotta squeeze. There you go. Oh, it's spraying.
It's a little pressurized.
Car's gonna smell like fuel for like 10 months now, thanks.
Okay.
It's fine, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Well, the ground is.
Oh my gosh, my shoes.
Oh god, I think it's melting my soles. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yep.
This just gave me a spark. It's okay, right?
Yeah, it's like almost full again. Legitimately, like this, it was empty. And now it's like, oh.
You sure all the electrical devices are nice and close? Alright, dump it away. I like how Felipe got out of this somehow. Hopefully I find all this later. I'm just throwing it in the tank. Who even needs fuel pumps? Just having them sitting in the back with a straw. Now I have to figure out how you pull it out. It's been a while. This fuel regulator should pop off. Regulator?
You guys got it smelling real good in here.
I'm glad you like it.
You know what? I'll take this any day over transmission fluid.
Yeah.
That's true.
Because that was pretty bad when they did the transmission.
I don't know how many more of these I got left. Gotta drain your exhaust every once in a
Again
while.
with the condensation. That should be the last one. And it's an 8, isn't it?
No, it's thin, but it's not very accessible.
Feels loose.
Got it. There it is. It's right there. Oh. I thought it was like
You see how I just
there.
come out and I'm like, hey, that's what you were looking for. It's right there, Caleb.
You know, I think it's your turn, Alex, if you wanna.
You know, I was just about to go to lunch.
Is your blood sugar dipping?
My blood sugar is dropping pretty fast. You did run it out of fuel already, right?
Yeah. It's almost got a half a tank.
There shouldn't be much left in there after all the fumes in this warehouse.
There's probably 8 gallons of fuel.
I think there's 8 gallons of fuel in the air right now.
Yeah, light a match, please. Start building, we'll take off. No sparks. Just hope that doesn't pop off, because things are gonna get real funny around here. Someone said we could do this, I swear. Here we go. Can't figure it out. Either I left the line disconnected or broke the module.
Throw the money.
I feel it works.
Hey, it does?
Yeah.
You don't smell the exhaust dust?
I don't.
No, it fired right up.
Fire right up.
Let it go for a while. I pushed it pretty hard.
So we can put it all together and then see what the fuck.
That's what we came out here
Yeah.
to do.
To me, and honestly, sounds like it's tuning. To me, it sounds like it needs to be adjusted. 'Cause this guy's stereo, he's a McLaren guy, but he don't know better. Like the stereo is like it works on the M5, but it turns it off. But on this one, it'll give you a check engine. Nah, bro, that don't work like that. Come on, McLaren.
I'm not saying it's not working. I'm just saying that
You
that
just
might be a
said it
reason.
wasn't working. You just said. Should we give him the bad news? I mean, it really does sound like the 10 bar is the issue right now.
It's hitting 11 bar, doesn't it?
We have a bad pump on the Supra now.
Hey, dog, I'm just saying that was a common issue. I forgot about that until now.
Very convenient he forgot, huh? Let me sell you a lemon. Hey, bro, that is the weakest sound system in my life. Like,
No, the AMG was worse.
no.
It was.
No.
It was.
No.
It
No
was.
way the AMG was worse.
No, it was. 100%.
That, the Supra has a better system than that.
I don't think so.
Bet.
Dude, the bass sounds like shit car. There's no bass in that one, but it doesn't sound bad.
Go listen to his music, please. Just someone go in there and tell me if his sounds better than this.
I think so.
I need to. I gotta listen to this one now.
No, I do. How good was that? How good was that?
reserving judgment until I hear it.
Wait.
Music.
Wait. We're flashing right now. Hold on.
Oh,
It's almost done. It's almost done.
I'm forgetting what it sounded like. Quick, come on. Quick, I can
Hold
hear it.
on. Flash. It's flashing.
This is taking forever.
Look, it's almost ready. It says, okay, now.
30 seconds.
Nah,
You
just
already
start
forgot
it.
what it sounded like.
Just start it. Just start it.
Let's wait 30 seconds.
Just start it. You're fine.
That ain't right. Wait, try again.
That's not starting. Hit the button.
What'd you do?
Go 3. I don't know what I did. No,
Last
like,
time you seen him on
go
my
3
couch,
times.
but that was
1,
car
2,
won't
and
start.
3. 3 times. And then no breakdown. Let me see the phone. Why is it not working, Alex?
Well, the car goes in it.
I do feel like the car needs to be on for a proper test, though.
Oh, we can't even get the car on. No, let's go. Let's put the same song